Hi, my name is Melanie and I'm going to be teaching you how to fly a remote control helicopter. The remote control helicopter I will be using is called a Doom Fighter. It comes in black and silver and they can fight each other. If you press this button, shoot, it makes that noise, and one of the little LED lights on the side will go out. Once each helicopter has no lights, they fall. So this is the controller that you would use to fly it. This makes it go up and down. This one makes it go left and right. And this little wire is to charge it. And it takes 15 minutes to charge. So to take off, you're going to bring up this lever on the remote control up very slowly, and the blades are going to start to spin. So I'm going to bring the lever up a little more quickly now and land it fast. So I'm going to demonstrate how to land the helicopter now. So landing the helicopter is probably the most difficult part, because the helicopter could be really high, and if it's too high then you don't want to come down too fast, or else it will crash or it will break. So you want to come down nice and slow. So right now I'm just going to basically land it, and one of the easier ways to land it is just going straight down. The next landing I'm going to show is a little more difficult. It makes for a more interesting visual show. And what you're going to do, you're going to take off like normal. You're just going to bring this lever up and the blades are going to start spinning like that. And as the helicopter comes down, you're going to want to keep this either to the right or all the way to the left as it comes down, and it'll do some turns. I will now demonstrate how to land a more difficult way. Helicopter. Thank you for watching. Take a fly in the sky. Yeah.